I think everybody wants to go to this utopia, which is, we'll call it digital twin. Maybe we come to this topic later as well. But for now, we call it a digital twin. And in people's utopia, the digital twin is everything. So it's very, very broad. It covers every aspect of supply chain, maybe even some things we would not necessarily typically consider supply chain. And it's also ultra high fidelity, right? Very, very detailed, down to the SKU level, individual resources, and things like that. And I think this is a nice utopia, and we can always strive for this. But I don't think it's practical for a number of reasons. One, just the complexity, and I don't mean just computational complexity. That's going to be a problem with this as well. But the complexity of trying to get your arms around all of the data that's required to do that type of modeling. So I think what we typically see instead of this one massive master model for an entire organization is a lot of smaller models that either make up a specific geographic scope, a specific business unit scope, maybe a specific project or event like, hey, we need to figure out what to do about tariffs in this particular region, or some acquisition, something like that. And based on the type of problem that we're wanting to solve, we abstract the necessary elements specific to that problem. It's always nice to have a nice foundation of data. Yeah, I know my sites, I know my products, I can keep a living model of those things, but a lot of other stuff is changing all of the time, and it's not so practical to keep it up to date in between modeling projects.